Hi guys, welcome back to Clutter Fairy, where I help you get clutter-free so that you can live stress-free. I had an amazing video planned for you guys where I was going to show you how to organize a kitchen drawer. And while I started emptying out the drawer, and by the way, this was my kitchen drawer, I found this. Oh my gosh. You know, we live in Long Beach and we have moisture in the air because we're close to the ocean, and I've had an issue with these water beetles before. They are disgusting. They are the size of your thumb, and about once a year when the weather changes, I usually find some in my house, but not in my drawer. So needless to say, the video went out the window because I was focused about scrubbing everything and making sure that there weren't any more in any other of the drawers. So that video went out, but here's what it looked like after. So what that brought me to, though, is I wanted to talk to you guys about the level of perfectionism that we expect of ourselves. And I don't want to get too preachy, and I don't want to get too, I'm not a motivational speaker, but I do come across people all of the time when I'm meeting them and trying to help them get their homes organized, who feel they need to make excuses and justify their homes. And you don't need to do that. We have such busy lives. It's nothing to be ashamed of that we have work schedules and family schedules, and oftentimes we're struggling with personal things or health issues, and all of those things compiled together make it very difficult to stay on top of our homes. And I've said this before in past videos, but give yourself permission to not have that Pinterest house. It would be nice, but it's not always realistic. I do this as a profession, and I constantly find myself redoing systems because my life is always changing. So if you've organized something before and you're finding out that it's not working, don't beat yourself up for it. Look at the system. Maybe your needs have changed and that's why it's not working. Maybe you've added more things to your collection and therefore it's no longer working. Maybe the structure wasn't correct, or maybe you just weren't as thorough with purging. But don't beat yourself up. Please give yourself permission to go, you know what, today's not a good day. This is too emotionally draining for me. I don't have the energy. You'll get to it when you will. And I hope that you'll always return to me to give you these great tips and suggestions. But more than anything, I want to be the cheerleader for you to say, it's okay. We will get to it when we get to it, and that's the best I can do today. On that same note, I did want to address a couple of other quick things just to help you guys out. One of those is my new favorite snack, and this is not sponsored, but while I want to say don't try it because you'll be addicted, I can't do a video anymore unless I'm eating these. They're so bad and so good at the same time. So that's one of my guilty confessions for this week. And the other one is I've been making costumes this week. We're going to DragCon, which I am super excited about. So this is what my floor looks like right now, because this is also my craft room. And while I wanted to have it picture perfect for you guys, I decided I need to finish the costumes first. So cleaning up glitter and tulle and feathers off of the floor is just going to be a time waster because I still have costumes to finish. I hope you guys liked this video. Please comment below if you have any issues in your house that you're just struggling with. I'd love to give you some feedback on suggestions. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I do post videos. I try and do them every week. I love you guys, and I'll see you next week.